Hey everybody, I wanted to create a real quick video today for two reasons, and please bear with me, I have a little cold, so I'm a little gravelly. So one, I am heading into Boston on Monday to pick the brain of Kyle Cran, who is the casting director at CP Casting. I love Kyle, he's amazing. I've known him for years, and I know I can ask him, there are questions, and I can speak for a lot of us for the insight and information that we want as actors that will help us, gain the knowledge and elevate what we do. But I'm wondering if you have any specific questions for Kyle. If you could comment or email me at jamie@actorplaybook.com. So when I go in on Monday to get that insight, to get that information, to share, if there is anything specific that you are looking for as an actor, please send me a message and send me your questions. Two, so as you know, I have been working on ActorPlaybook for almost a year, and I really wanted to create something for actors who are aspiring actors, who are new, who do not live near a major market and want to find ways to pursue this craft, who have this desire to act. Just like when I was starting out, I wanted to create something that I wish I had when I was brave enough to take the leap to pursue my dream to act. So next month, I'm really excited. For the first time, I'm opening up the studio and having an on-camera audition workshop. Auditioning is a whole different or additional set of skills that we need as an actor. And I compare it to running. If you train and you train to run and you are training for a 5K or a half marathon, you train consistently so that you can deliver on race day. And then if you don't do it for 3 or 4 months and then you go and try to run that 5K or that 10K again, you and I both know that your performance is not going to be where it should be or where it was. So just like running, auditioning is a skill set that you have to consistently work on and practice and flex that audition skill set muscle by putting yourself on tape, by preparing scenes and putting yourself on camera, by getting feedback and taking direction and just constantly honing and working on your craft so that when you do get an audition, you are prepared to be at ease, you know how to handle your nerves, you know how to focus so that you can deliver your best performance in the audition room. So I have a date in November set up for this audition workshop, and all the details are attached in this video. If you could check it out, if you want to come, I will send you scenes beforehand. We'll talk about the audition process, and I'll share with you insight from my own experiences, and then you will go through the audition scenario and put yourself on tape. I will record you, we'll have a reader, go through the scene, try it some different ways, and then we'll watch the tape after and talk about it. Just talk about the work. A lot of what we do is, and what is, actionable steps to creating forward motion as an actor is doing the work. So I hope you are all having that forward motion this week towards your dream to be an actor, towards growth, all of it. Hope to see you next month in the studio.